So our next question, which is question 18 of the year 1982, says, which of the following process does not lead to chemical change? A. Stirring iron in sulfur 6 acid. B. Stirring sodium carbonate in water. C. Stirring glucose in concentrated sulfur 6 acid. D. Mixing sulfur 6 acid with potassium carbonate. E. Titrating an acid against a base. Now, what do you think is the answer? All right, let's take a look. The correct answer is B. Now, the reason is because when you mix sodium carbonate or when you stir sodium carbonate in water, it's not going to give you a new product. It's not going to give you a new compound. It's still the same sodium carbonate, just sodium carbonate that is hydrated. So it is still a chemical change, a physical change rather.